SLE Equipment, Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking 8.5 by 30 Gooseneck I-beam Deckover. At the front we do have a gooseneck hitch. There's adjustable as well as safety chains and breakaway cable. This trailer has heavy duty 12,000-pound ram jacks. The gooseneck is adjustable with a 25,000-pound capacity. There's a 2 5/16 coupler. You have our heavy duty jacks, the chain basket. This is a deckover. There are stake pockets, D-rings, and step-ups on the side of your trailer. This trailer does come with pressure-treated wood flooring, a strong I-beam frame with a 3-channel crossmembers, 16-foot on the center at the bottom of your trailer for maximum stability. This trailer does come with large King Kong ramps that are foldable and are attached with pin lock systems as well as a tension latch. You have your ramps. This trailer is a self-cleaning dovetail. It also helps with the tension put on your trailer itself. There are 2 7,000-pound axles on 16-inch wheels and tires. There is a 14K GVWR. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 30 Gooseneck Deckover trailer. If you were interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.